Genshin Impact NAHIDA NILOU Pbt Material Keycaps set for ANSI 6187104108 Key. Genshin Impact NAHIDA NILOU Pbt Material Keycaps set for ANSI 6187104108 Keys Mechanical Keyboard Ohm Profile. The Genshin Impact NAHIDA NILOU Pbt Material Keycaps set is a high-quality set of keycaps made from durable PBT plastic. The keycaps are double-shot molded, meaning that the legends are printed on the top and bottom of the keycaps, making them resistant to wear and tear. The keycaps have a smooth texture and a matte finish, and they are compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones. The set includes 104 keycaps, which are enough to cover a full-size ANSI keyboard. The keycaps are also available in a variety of layouts, including 61 key, 87 key, and 108 key layouts. The keycaps are designed to resemble the keys on the NAHIDA NILOU mechanical keyboard, which is inspired by the popular video game Genshin Impact. The keycaps feature a unique font and color scheme that is sure to appeal to fans of the game. The Genshin Impact NAHIDA NILOU Pbt Material Keycaps set is a great way to add a touch of personality to your mechanical keyboard. The keycaps are high quality and durable, and they will make your keyboard look and feel amazing. Pros: high quality PBT plastic construction. Double-shot molded keycaps. Smooth texture and matte finish. Compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones. Available in a variety of layouts. Unique design inspired by Genshin Impact. Cons: may be too expensive for some users. Not compatible with all mechanical keyboards.